As we age, one of the most noticeable changes in our bodies is the slow, steady loss of muscle mass. It starts quietly, perhaps with a little extra fatigue, a small struggle to lift things that once felt light, or slower recovery after simple activities. But what many people don't realize is that age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, is not inevitable. With the right foods, daily movement, and smart nutrition support, your body can maintain and even rebuild muscle well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. In today's video, we're diving into the top plant-based foods that support muscle rebuilding for seniors, backed by science and trusted by nutritionists. Whether you're recovering from injury, staying active in retirement, or simply trying to maintain your independence, these foods are a powerful place to start. Let's get into it. 1. Lentils, plant-based muscle fuel. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse that offer seniors an excellent source of plant-based protein without the heaviness of meat or the risk of added saturated fat. Each cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, along with iron, magnesium, folate, zinc, and fiber. The iron in lentils supports oxygen delivery to working muscles, while magnesium and zinc assist in muscle contraction, repair, and overall cellular function. Their fiber content helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, which is critical in avoiding the energy crashes that lead to inactivity and muscle breakdown. Another benefit of lentils? They cook quickly and don't require soaking. Add them to stews, use them in veggie patties, or combine with brown rice for a complete amino acid profile. For seniors seeking sustainable strength, lentils are a must-have in the kitchen. 2. Quinoa, the complete plant protein. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed to build and repair muscle tissue. With 8 grams of protein per cooked cup and a generous dose of magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, quinoa provides lasting energy and supports neuromuscular function. Its high fiber content also improves gut health, which can indirectly enhance nutrient absorption, essential for seniors whose digestion may not be as efficient as it once was. Whether enjoyed as a savory base for stir-fries or mixed into a breakfast bowl with cinnamon and fruit, quinoa is a versatile, gluten-free grain that offers a strong foundation for muscle health. 3. Chia seeds, small but mighty. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. These little seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which reduces systemic inflammation, a major contributor to muscle degradation and joint discomfort in older adults. They also provide plant-based protein, calcium, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to stronger muscles, bones, and connective tissue. Additionally, the fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract, which can support regularity and gut health. You only need 1 to 2 tablespoons a day to experience benefits. Stir them into overnight oats, blend them into smoothies, or make a simple chia pudding. They're shelf-stable, affordable, and incredibly nutrient-dense. 4. Tofu and tempeh, clean plant protein with extra benefits. Tofu and tempeh are 2 soy-based foods that offer seniors a high-quality, easily digestible form of protein. Tofu is soft and neutral, making it ideal for smoothies, scrambles, or stir-fries, while tempeh has a firm texture and nutty flavor, great for grilling, baking, or pan-frying. Both are rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium, supporting muscle contraction, bone strength, and post-exercise recovery. Tempeh's fermentation process also introduces beneficial probiotics, which can aid in digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. With around 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving, tofu and tempeh are excellent meat alternatives that don't compromise on nutrition. 5. Leafy greens, muscle-supporting minerals. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula may not be known for their protein content, but they provide critical support nutrients that help muscles function properly and repair effectively. They are rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, all crucial for reducing cramps, improving blood flow, and strengthening bones and tendons. In fact, magnesium is one of the most overlooked minerals in senior nutrition and plays a direct role in preventing muscle fatigue. Greens also support nitric oxide production, which helps dilate blood vessels, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues, vital for physical endurance and recovery. Enjoy them raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or lightly sautéed with olive oil and garlic. 6. Sweet potatoes, natural energy for active aging. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy without the sugar crash. They also contain potassium, manganese, and vitamin C, which play roles in electrolyte balance, antioxidant defense, and collagen synthesis. For seniors engaging in physical activity, even if light, these nutrients help maintain stamina and support soft tissue repair. Their natural sweetness and versatility make them easy to include in meals, roasted, mashed, or even baked as wedges. When paired with a source of plant-based protein like lentils or tofu, sweet potatoes become part of a perfectly balanced, muscle-supportive plate. 7. Oats, morning fuel for strength. Oats are not only comforting and easy to digest, they are also rich in iron, B vitamins, and beta-glucan fiber, which support energy metabolism, cardiovascular health, and immune resilience. When prepared with fortified plant milk and topped with chia seeds or nut butter, oats transform into a muscle-building breakfast that fuels your body for the day ahead. Oats help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and maintain cholesterol levels, making them an all-around superfood for older adults looking to stay strong, balanced, and energized. 8. Nuts and nut butters, healthy fats for recovery. Almonds, walnuts, cashew butter, and other nut-based foods are rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, protein, and magnesium. These nutrients reduce oxidative stress, support joint flexibility, and aid in tissue repair after daily activities or strength training. Even a small handful can provide meaningful benefits. They're also calorie-dense, which can be helpful for seniors who struggle with low appetite or unintentional weight loss. Just be mindful of portion sizes, and choose unsalted, raw varieties when possible. Bonus support, hydration and recovery. Hydration is key for muscle health, especially in older adults who may not feel thirst as acutely. Muscles are made up of water, and without adequate hydration, they lose elasticity, strength, and recovery speed. Incorporate herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, or turmeric, along with lemon water or cucumber-infused drinks to make hydration more enjoyable. These drinks also offer anti-inflammatory benefits and soothe digestion. Optional nutrition boost, Goli Gummies. If you're looking for additional nutritional support, Goli Nutrition offers a line of plant-based gummies that can complement your daily routine. Their Super Greens gummies include spirulina, artichoke leaf, kale, and vitamins that support cellular health, detox, and energy production. Meanwhile, ashwagandha gummies can help manage cortisol and reduce stress-related inflammation, making it easier for your body to recover and rebuild. We've included a special affiliate link in the description for 10% off your Goli order. It's a simple way to stay consistent with your wellness routine. Muscle loss with age isn't something to fear, it's something you can manage and even reverse through small, consistent lifestyle changes. By choosing whole, plant-powered foods like lentils, quinoa, leafy greens, and healthy fats, you give your body the tools it needs to stay strong, balanced, and energized. Add in gentle movement, hydration, and optional support like Goli's clean supplements, and you're on your way to aging with strength and grace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to True Health for more weekly videos on living better, longer. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay you, and don't forget, check the link in the description for your exclusive 10% discount on Goli Nutrition, because every bit of support counts.